bag.
What's that?
Okay, Riley, you ready?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a horse. Yeah. It's a horsey. He's taller than me too.
He's tall like you.
Do you know what horse that is?
Yeah.
What horse is that?
I don't know.
Who rides that horse? Does Woody ride
Yeah.
that horse? Is that the
Woody.
horse from Toy Story?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, she's riding the horse. She's on the bed. She jumped on his back and fell down to the bed.
Well, it'll be a video.
Oh.
I got a video.
We got it all on video, so. Including me giving you the description.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I know you're talking to Riley, but I'm excited.
Yeah.